back to my channel. I am Nisha, and in today's video I am going to review my new Ikonic S9 Plus hair crimper and also going to show you how to crimp your hair. So let's begin with the packaging first. This is the kind of packaging we receive. It is the Ikonic Professional Crimper S9 Plus, and this is the cardboard box, and inside we get one more box which has the crimper. It's a magnetic box, and here is the crimper. So I'm taking out the crimper now. So here is the crimper, and this is the swirl cord, which is 9 feet long, and these are the plates. These are shiny infused ceramic plates which are very good for hair and gives a good shine after crimping and protects our hair from damage. This crimper is a digital temperature control crimper, and it has a digital screen here where the temperature is displayed, and here are 3 buttons. The first one is power button, and the second and third one is plus and minus button to adjust the temperature. It heats up to 230 degrees, and that too just in 10 seconds. And it also has 60 minutes auto shut off. That is, if the hairdresser forgets to shut down the crimper, then it will automatically shut down after 60 minutes. It is 220 to 240 volts, and it consumes 20 watts. With this crimper you can obviously crimp your hair and also give your hair a lot of volume and texture using this. It is really amazing product for people with very fine hair, because they tend to struggle to get puffy up styles or any kind of voluminous hairdos or hairstyles. So yes, it is very good for them because they can use crimping instead of backcombing and using other hair damaging techniques, and they can just crimp and get high instant volume in their hair. So this works really good for them. So now I'm going to show you how to crimp your hair. So let's begin the video. I'm just going to plug it now and let's get started. So I have plugged it and I have set a temperature of 200 degrees. First, let me comb my hair. And so first I'm sectioning my hairs from the back of my ears and just separating it. Now I'm dividing my hairs in 2 sections here. I'm combing it once again. Then I'll take this much of hair. We need to take small strands so that we get good results. Now I'm going to put my heat protectant, that is Schwarzkopf Gliss hair repair. I'm going to spray it. Now I'm taking the crimper, holding it here and just pressing it very nicely. So here you can see I have crimped my hair. I have done it, and I'll just put this section to the back. Again, take another section. You see, wow. So I've completed these both sides, and now I have taken some more hair from the top and hairs are done now, and just the hair on my crown are left, and now I'll be doing these two. I'll be combing them and dividing them in two sections. This section also. So finally I am done with the crimping, and you can see how my hair looks, and this is how my hair looks after I have crimped it. It has given me such a good volume and it looks so fluffy, and I can easily make any sort of fluffy kind of hairstyle with this. So this is the way I crimp my hair today with Ikonic S9 Crimper. I hope you all like this video. So please do let me know in the comment box how did you like my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Do share it with your friends, and do send me your feedbacks for sure. Till then, take care. Bye.